Hi, I'm Valentina Chinnici, and today we're going to experiment together using an Arduino 33 BLE Sense board as well as the Arduino Science Journal app. And the sensors that we picked up is the color temperature sensor. So, color temperature is a characteristic of visible light. It indicates light in a range going from red to orange to yellow to white to bluish white. Lower cool temperatures between 2700 and 3000 K are called warm colors, and they're generally yellowish. Color temperature is conventionally expressed in kelvins using the K symbol. Color temperature over 5000 K are called cool colors, bluish. In this context, it's also used as an analogy to radiated heat flux of the traditional incandescent lighting rather than actual temperature. So, although it does not make sense to speak of the color temperature of a green or a red light, we decided that for the sake of Christmas, we would measure the color temperature of the Christmas lights. We really hope that you enjoyed this short video. Happy holidays, everyone, from the Arduino Education and the Arduino Science Journal team. Thank you.